Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Honda HR-V and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. Link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the lens. So with this one, we're going to need to lift the hood up so we could clean the inside of the lens as well. So all we need is just this area to work with. We don't need to lift the whole thing. It's just this gap right here. So once you have this open, apply Slip Solution and remove any contaminants that the lens might have. Okay, so to start off the installation, you want to apply Slip Solution onto the lens and then onto the tint. And you want to align this part of the film to the edge of the headlight here. So once you have it aligned there, make sure it follows along the headlight design here. So it should be like this. So once you have it aligned, lift the film, apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position and then start tacking this section down. Now that we have this section tacked down, the next thing is to stretch the film just to meet it to this edge here. So it's a light stretch, nothing too hard, so just stretch it. Once you have this side of the film meeting the edge of the headlight here, grab your Tack Solution and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. And make sure while you're doing that, everything is aligned. So if you need to move the film, you can. Everything just has to go aligned with the headlight here. Once you see that everything's aligned, now you can start tacking it down. Now this section is secured and it's not going to move, and you just continue on removing and installing the middle portion of the film here. So just apply Tack Solution and then just start squeegeeing to secure the film into the position and make sure everything is still aligned. Okay, so once we secured everything here, the last thing to do is just making sure the remaining piece up here, everything's tacked down. So in order to tack it down, it's the same steps. Just grab your Tack Solution, apply Tack Solution on the top portion here, and then with your squeegee, just make sure you tack it down. So the last thing to do once you finish installing everything is just post heating all around in case there are some fingers that are popping up, and making sure we just seal the edges. That way the adhesive on the film activates and it heals faster. So just apply Tack Solution and with a heat gun and microfiber towel, go all around to start sealing the whole film. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Honda HR-V. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.